Hey folks, I'm home. I had an early day today, so I got off work early. I'm sorry, it's gonna be all over the place, and I might just upload it from my phone because I'm gonna make me something to eat. But we're talking about these 3 weeks. In 3 weeks post-op as of yesterday, I had VSG and hiatal hernia repair on January the 3rd. I'm red because I was walking, y'all. I just walked, did my 55 minutes. Girl, because we finna be snatched. I have my appointment for my faja on Monday with the beautiful body by Yeslin, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about recuperating 3 weeks post-op VSG and hiatal hernia repair. My last weigh-in was my last weigh-in, which was January 14th. My follow-up. I am not going to weigh like that, like not going to be a slave to the scale like that. I'll weigh once a month on the 3rd because that will be my surgiversary. Who literally just walked through the door, and I'm not winded, y'all. Like, okay, 55-minute walk. Anybody that know me know I got long legs. I walk fast. Even when I was all fat and breathing heavy, I still walk fast. So, yeah. I feel amazing. I still have to use my 30 ml cup to drink because I oversip. But I do not overeat at all. I found out what things I can tolerate and cannot tolerate. 3 weeks post-op for me is stage 3 in foods, which means applesauce consistency foods incorporated into the liquids. So I have been eating baby food fruit. I tried a couple things that did not agree with Stevie Wonder. Yesterday I found that I can have tuna, light tuna in the packet, not the can, eggs, and light mayonnaise. So it's basically egg salad with tuna in it. No season, no salt, no pepper, no nothing. Light mayonnaise, boom. I can tolerate it. I can still only eat about 2 ounces, 2.5. I can eat 4 ounces over a period of 3 hours. And I can tolerate it, and it's freaking bomb. Like, I'm about to go make some egg salad right now with some eggs and some light mayonnaise. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that for dinner. Okay, protein and protein and shit. But I don't regret a thing. I do not regret a thing. I started off my year with what most people will call a drastic decision. I chose to have weight loss surgery. And I chose that for my health. Chronic high blood pressure, hypertension. I had high blood pressure since high school. Been taking medicine since my 20s. I just had a lot of health stuff going on. And like, I'm 43 years old. Stats, 43 years old, 5'11", highest weight, 312 pounds. Surgery weight, 298. At my 2-week, which was more like 11-day checkup with my surgeon, I was down 20 pounds. I can tell I'm slimming. Clothes big. Brassieres are big. Had to buy new shoes because my shoes was big. Rings is falling off. Fingers is slim. Wrist is slim. Like, I can tell I'm slimming. So it feels good and I feel amazing. So we just gonna keep that short and cute because I'm finna go eat. But y'all, post up in these comments if you want to know more. If you want to know how I got approved for weight loss surgery. If you want to know about the makeup stuff, because that's how the channel started. So I'm gonna get back to that. It's some life-changing things happening this year, and now or never. You know what I mean? Like, this was my second chance to get it right, and to get it right in every aspect. Now, I'm not trying to be perfect. No one on this earth is perfect. We are flawed human beings. But with that being said, I know what my perfection looks like. And that's what my goal is. My perfection looks like peace. It looks like serenity. It looks like oneness. It looks like vibrating higher, working on a different frequency, embracing what the universe has to give me. Like, my perfection is sexy as fuck naked. So yeah, y'all, if y'all gonna come on this journey with me, I welcome you with open arms. Post up in the comments, like, subscribe. Get over there on Instagram, Mamie, Mamie.Lynnette, Lynnette. Y'all remember, embrace it. Embrace the positivity. Don't let that stagnant negative energy consume your spirit. Keep your fight. Keep your fight. People say don't let nobody steal your joy. Don't let nobody steal your fight. And know that you are worth it. You are worthy. You are loved. And like work off of that. Like use that as your fuel. So I'm gonna stop. Y'all get down in them comments. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my not so new subscribers. I've been on YouTube for a minute and I'm getting subscribers again, which is really cool. So VSG stuff in the comments, get at me. Makeup stuff in the comments, get at me. Am I bald for a reason? What is the reason? Comments, get at me. This is okay, so this is gonna be real quick, real short, real sweet. So this was my lunch. How the hell babies eat this shit? Like, cause babies ain't got no taste buds or something. This, I'm gonna stick to my fruit, the baby fruit, the pureed baby fruit, because this, oh my God. The moment I opened it, I was just like, huh? Girl, let me hurry up and wash my spoon. Okay, real quick. Yo, just throw it away. Just throw the whole baby food in the spoon. Just throw it away. I got a whole nother spoon. So I had to throw it away. Just throw it all away.